बंधन के मुटियारा आया बटोला बनके बारिश है मेरे तुम कोई तो राग कन्ना दे विच पिपल पत्तियां पाई चूड़ा के मेरे दिल के लिफाफे में तेरा खत है जानिया ना चीज ने कैसे पाली जन्नत ये जानिया में बंधन के मुटियारा आया बटोला बनके कन्ना दे विच पिपल।
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and you are enjoying my videos, and I feel so excited to sit in front of the camera and talk to you guys because I guess it's been a while. 1 week to be precise. I haven't uploaded any video because, to be honest, there was a lot of stuff going on in my life. I had too much to figure out, and because of that I could not upload any video, I could not film, or I could not edit any video. But now I am back, and today in this video I'm going to share with you guys a Diwali look because you know it is the festive season going on and the festival of Diwali is coming. So let's not waste time and let's get into the video. But before that, if you are new on my channel, hi, my name is Simran and I create makeup tutorials for you all, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. So guys, first thing first, as I say it in my every video, it is very important to prepare your skin before you start applying your makeup, and the first step is to apply your moisturizer. And for today's look I am going to use the moisturizer from Lotus Herbals. I'm going to apply 2 pumps of the same. And guys, once I'm done moisturizing my face, next I'm going to apply my primer, and I'm going to use the Faces Canada primer, which is the Ultimate Pro HD Ace of Base Radiance primer. Why I'm using this primer is because it is an illuminating primer, and since it is a festive look, so I don't want my face all matte, but I want it to be glowy, so that's why I'm going to go with this primer. I'm going to apply it wherever I have open pores. I'm not really sure whether you can see the effect of the primer on these 2 fingers with which I've applied it, but it is really glowy and I'm loving the effect of this on my skin. So once I'm done priming my skin, I am going to color correct all these pigments over here. For color correcting my skin, I am not using any color corrector, but I'm going to go with my concealer only. And with my finger, I'm going to dab it all over my under eyes. And guys, you can see the difference in both the sides, and similarly I'm going to do it here and over here. So once I'm done color correcting my skin, I am going to set it with some loose powder. I am not going to bake it, but I'm just going to set it with my loose powder. Once I'm done with this, next I'm going to go with my BB cream. Next I'm going to use my beauty blender and dab it all over my face. And once I'm done with my BB cream, next I'm going to apply my concealer, and I'm using the Faces Canada Matte Mousse Concealer. Now this concealer is 1 shade lighter than my skin, and I'm going to apply it here, here and a bit of here because I want to give this a highlighting effect. And after this, I am going to set it with some loose powder to avoid any sorts of creasing. And till my face sets, I am going to start with my eyes. Now before I start with my eyes, first I am going to conceal them. After I have concealed my eyes, I am going to start with my eye look, and for my today's eye look, I am going to use my Huda Beauty palette, which is the Rose Gold palette. And you must have seen me using this palette quite a lot many times because I totally love this palette. And for today's look, I am going to first use the shade Sandalwood from the palette. I am going to apply this all over my crease using my fluffy brush. Apply it with a very gentle, light hand. You don't have to be too harsh on your eyes. With a very light hand, you have to apply it. So for today's look, which is a Diwali look, I am going to use all the tones which are natural tones. That means that can go with any sort of attire that you wear. If you're wearing a sari, if you're wearing a suit, if you're wearing a lehenga, any sort of dress you're wearing, this kind of eye look will go with every attire that you wear. Make sure that you prepare your crease very well. Once I'm done with that, next I'm going to use the shade Cocoa from the palette. This is a chocolate brown kind of a shade, and I'm going to take it in the same fluffy brush and I'm going to define my crease a little more with this. You have to go it in circular motions. And once you take the shade in your brush, make sure that you remove the excess of the shade to avoid any sort of fallout on your face. And once I'm done with that, next I'm going to change my brush and I'm going to go with this brush, which is a blending brush but it has got more intensity. And I'm going to go with the same shade Cocoa and intensify my outer eye. And guys, after this I'm using the shade #blessed from the palette. And I'm going to apply it in the inner side of my eye. This is a glitter shade, and I guess festive season is the best where you can use your glitter shades. Make sure that you blend both the eyeshadows. After this, guys, I'm going to use a flat shader brush. And I'm going to take the shade Dubai from the palette, and I'm going to apply this shade where both the shades blend. And after this, I'm going to take the shade 24K from the palette, and I'm going to apply it over my brow bone. So once you're done with your eyeshadows, this is how your eye is going to look. And after this, I am going to move towards my eyebrows. First, I am using the spoolie. Next, I am going to define my eyebrows. For the starting of my eyebrows, I am giving the natural strokes. And after that, I am just going to fill in my eyebrows. Once I'm done with the filling of my eyebrows, I'm going to again use a spoolie brush so that if there are any harsh lines, they get diffused. So after this, I am going to apply my Lakme Absolute Shine Line Eyeliner. And after this, I'm going to start with the lower side of my eye, and for that I'm going to use the Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Intense Gel Kajal Pencil. Now I guess that for this particular video I have used a lot of Faces Canada's products, and it is not a sponsored video. It is just because I went shopping and I've got a lot of new products, and that's why I'm trying out a few of them in this video. And soon I'll be uploading a haul video where I'll be showing you guys what all I got, and there'll be a small surprise in that video as well, so stay tuned. And after this I'm going to use this brush which comes with the product only, and I'm going to smudge the lower lash line to give the smoky effect. And once I have smoked it out, I'm going to again apply a coat of kajal. And after this, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply my mascara. The mascara that I'm going to use is the Maybelline New York Colossal. Guys, do you see the effect of this mascara? I mean, it gives you so much volume. I just love the effect of this one. And since I don't apply falsies, so I guess this is the best mascara which I can use. And with this, my one eye is complete, and now I'm going to quickly finish with this eye and get back to you. So guys, I'm done with my second eye as well, and next I'm going to contour my face. For the contouring, I'm going to use this Dry Sugar palette which has a contour, a blush and a highlighter, and I'm going to use this angled brush. Make sure that you blend it really well. Make sure whenever you're blending your contour, you do it upwards and not downwards, because you want your face to be lifted up. After my contouring, I'm going to cut my face using my loose powder. And after cutting my face, I'm going to apply my blush. And for my blush, I am using the Lakme Absolute Blush. I am going to detail all the products in the description below. If I have not shown any product, you can get the information from the description. Next, I'm removing the excess loose powder under my eyes. Once I'm done with this, next I'm going to apply my highlighter. Guys, I prefer putting a highlighter with my fingers. If you don't prefer that, you can use a brush as well. But I feel with your finger you can blend it very well, and at the same time you can be very conscious about the quantity of the highlighter. I'm going to apply it on the bridge of my nose and the tip as well. Also, I'm going to apply it here as well. And after this, guys, I'm going to remove the excess loose powder over here. And once I'm done with this, next I'm going to add a nice lipstick to my look, and I'm going to use the Smudge Me Not lipstick from Dry Sugar.
जैसे कोई चांद को छूना चाहे, चाहूं तुझे जैसे कोई बच्चा खिलौना चाहे, चाहूं तुझे जैसे कोई चांद को छूना चाहे, चाहूं तुझे.
And guys, with this my Diwali look is all complete, and now the only step left is to get ready for the festival.
Oh,
final look, and I have added a small black bindi just to give a contrast. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and do let me know in the comment section below your views about this look. Bye.
ना चीज़ ने कैसे पाली जन्नत ये जानिया में बंधन के मुटियारा आया पटोला बनके कन्ना दे विच पिपल पट्टियां पाही चूड़ा खनके मेरे सोनिया वे मैं जितना तुम्हें देखूं मेरे सोनिया वे तुझे कितना चाहे और मैं जितना तुम्हें सोचूं दिल ये ना भरे इन आँखों में झलकता है मेरा प्यार तेरा प्यार बुलावे तुझे यारे आज मेरी गलियां बसाऊं तेरे संग मैं अलग दुनिया ना आए कभी दोनों में जरा भी फासले बस एक तू हो एक मैं हूँ और कोई ना है मेरा सब कुछ तेरा तू समझ ले तू चाहे मेरे हक की जमीन रख ले तू सांसों पे भी नाम तेरा लिख दे मैं जीऊं जब जब तेरा दिल धड़के